Hi, my name is Rudy and I'm the co-founder of Tactic. Today I'm going to show you how to find thousands of answers in one go. Every day we're finding answers from online, in our SaaS tools and third-party databases. It's manual, it's time-consuming, and in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you how painful it is. This is a video of me doing manual research. As you can see, I'm first starting by setting up a spreadsheet so that I note down all the things I need to know out of this research process. You can also notice that this video is sped up and is sped up 8 times. So in reality, this is 8 times more painful than what you're seeing on the screen. After I've set up my framework, I start trying to find the right documents to give me answers that I need. Here you can see that I look at what looks like an annual report, but as I scroll through, read through it, and do some Control F, I find that there's actually not the information that I need. I dig a little bit more and I finally get onto a document that looks sensible. And now I have the big task of going through 200 pages of PDFs just to get the few answers that I need. And I have to highlight the right paragraphs and copy and paste and format things, and it's incredibly repetitive. As you can see here, I'm struggling with it a bit more. I'm trying to remember what are the key points of my research, and here not only do I need to copy and paste the right information into the spreadsheet, I also need to just tidy it up, put it into a good structure, and make it digestible for the next step in the research process. Now, depending on your role, you might be doing this once a day, 5 times a day, 1,000 times a day, and all in all, it's just a massive waste of time. Now, let's look at how fast this can be with Tactic. So Tactic is a simple way for you to access an automated version of a researcher. So if you have an automated version of a researcher, you give him projects, right? And so in this project, the first thing we do is to add the companies we want to be researched. Here I'm adding simply 5 companies. As you can see, all we need is the company name and the website. We can import these guys from CSVs, we can import them from our CRM like Salesforce, and it's extremely integrated with your workflow. As you can see, adding 5 takes me just a few seconds, and this supports your day-to-day research workflow. The next thing to do is to ask Tactic to help find people who work for these companies. Here I'm looking for digital, and then the next thing to do is to find the keywords that we're looking for, much like what we're Control Fing in the previous manual example, where we're trying to look for different keywords and different concepts within big pages of PDFs and aggregate this into reports. What we're really doing here is we're asking our automated researcher to go through a list of companies, find who is working there that interests us, find the passages that contain the keywords that interest us, and put it all into a report. Whether that report looks like a spreadsheet or a document, you could do it all on Tactic. As you can see, I have a lot of control over the keywords I'm looking for, whether they're in annual reports on the internet or on a company website, and we're done, click research, and we're good to go. When the search is done, I see this beautiful looking report on BT. I first see a table of people results, all the people who work in digital at BT. I then see keyword results, which is a structured, summarized set of insights that replaces every single keyword I was Control Fing and looking for. As you can see here, all the things that we've copied and pasted to the spreadsheet is present on the platform automatically. Not only do I have that, I also have reports for the other 4 companies that I've added on, and whether you're doing 5, 50, or 5,000, you can do it in one click on Tactic. If I want to find a source of where some insights come from, I can simply click the link and it will bring you directly to the source. What do I do now? Tactic gives me a complete set of tools to move our research workflow onto the platform, replacing research analysts and data analysts. This helps you find answers, not search results, at any scale, and that is Tactic.